Number 10, White Stork, up to 16,400 feet. Number 9, Mallard Duck, up to 21,000 feet. Number 8, Andean Condor, up to 21,300 feet. Number 7, Bar-tailed Godwit, up to 23,000 feet. Number 6, Bearded Vulture, up to 24,000 feet. Number 5, Alpine Chough, up to 26,000 feet. Number 4, Whooper Swan, up to 26,900 feet. Number 3, Bar-headed Goose, up to 29,500 feet. Number 2, Common Crane, up to 32,800 feet. Number 1, Rüppell's Griffon Vulture, up to 37,000 feet. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more daily animal rankings.